The next part of this video discusses Catherine's smile problems and our solutions.
So again, this is her smile. It's narrow and it has very worn edges for somebody as young as Catherine. Up close, you can kind of see the edges are all worn, and there's usually a point here and a point here, and through the stress in her life, she had worn that all away. She didn't like the color of her teeth, and then she wanted a little bit wider of a smile, something that filled out her whole lip. So we met, had a consultation, and went over some of the things that I thought would help her get her smile without having to grind on her teeth. So up close, again, very worn, different lengths of these two teeth in the gum. We'll eventually go over and take care of that. Same different length here versus here, and we'll take care of that. And so we did a thorough analysis of Catherine, looking at her eyes, looking at the midline of her face, and seeing how her teeth line up within her lips. We always design our smile to fit appropriately within someone's lips. We want the smile to fill out the sides, and we want the teeth to be upright, and then we want the edges of these teeth to be somewhat horizontal to the eyes, and when you look at those edges, there'll be a curve that follows the curve of your lower lip. So these were the treatment steps we put together. We needed to pick a shade that Catherine likes, and we'll show you how we do that. And then we need to pick a nice length of her teeth, so we did that also. Here's what I drew up when we did our consultation. I talked to her about widening her smile, lengthening these teeth back to what they used to be, giving her a little point on this cuspid, and then blending a nice symmetrical width of her smile from right to left, along with forming that little line I talked about where you look at the edges of her teeth and her smile follows the curve of her lower lip.
In summary, we're going to be lengthening and widening Catherine's teeth, along with whitening and blending so it fits within her lips.